All right, I don't got a lot of space, but this is what we got right now. Sorry, man, my other shit is over here, man. I'm scrapping it up, man, every time I open the door, but whatever. That's the red one. You guys see it, just a regular 300. Switch over. Then we got the green. And we got the orange. All right, so we back in there, man. I just put them on. If you guys want to have like a walkthrough on how to remove and install these door lights, man, I got another video that's doing pretty well. I'll link it at the end of the video. I'll just make it so you just click on that in the playlist or whatever, or I'll put a link in the description down below. But I don't got a lot of time, man. I'm just trying to wait for my light to go off, man, so you guys get the full glory, man, of the new lights, man. I really like them. They super dope. You won't see these anywhere else because I kind of, I created them or whatever. So it's a design that if you see anybody with this other design that I'm about to show you right now, you got it from me. But without further ado, I know I keep showing the light, man. I want to get it going, man. But anyway, I'm just going to do it right now. Forget it, F it. Look at that, man. You've never seen these before. You have never seen this design before. Don't say you have. If you have, you're lying. I'm sorry. I usually don't get all crazy with it, but I like this design, man. I think this is my favorite design. I think this is, you thought it was over? You thought it was over? That's white. I don't know if it's coming up in the camera or not or how clear it is, but this is white, man. So if you guys got like, my car is silver or gray or whatever, but if you got the black, you already know the white will look good. If the red will look good, the blue will look good, but the white, I don't know, man. The white is universal. Anyway, let's go back over here. This might be my favorite color, no lie, but I'm gonna just show you. It's not doing it any justice, man. It's extremely red. Like, I know it's probably in the camera, I can see it's looking like orange a little bit, but it's extremely red. It's extremely red. And then we got this one over here. And we got the blue one again. But the blue is dope, man. The blue is dope. I like the blue with the silver. But the red, hey, comment down below which one's your best one, man. Comment down below, man. There'll be a link in the description. You guys already know. Go to meanteam.xyz. That's my website where you can get these at. These will be up on the site as soon as this video goes live. But yeah, man. Hold on, let me turn the lights on so we can. Yeah, there we go. I wish the light was out, man, so you guys can really see it, man. But it's all still crazy bright in here, but you can still see. You've never seen these before. You have never seen these before, man. Anybody you see these who have these, man, they got these from me. You're not getting these from anywhere else. I'm the first person with them because I created them. I was on Photoshop doing them, so I know a lot of people gonna think like, oh, he probably didn't even, or he got them over here. Nah, I made them. I made them. That's dope. That's the white. One more time, man. One more time. I don't know why it's my first time seeing them like on a car. I just installed them, so that's why I keep looking at. It's dope. That red is dope. I might do the, I don't know. But anyway, another thing, man. I got all those other ones that I was using that just have the regular 300. All those other ones that I have that are just like the old lights. I switch my lights like all the time, man. And I always have giveaways. So the ones you guys saw at first, I'm gonna get those away somehow. I'll probably do some where if you guys tell me that you got 5 people that subscribe to my channel, man, like right now, if you can bring 5 people over and subscribe to my channel, I'll give you guys one of those extras. It won't be a full set. It'll just be one, man. I was gonna do it where it's like, I was selling for like $10 or $15, so whoever won could really get them. But then I was like, man, then I gotta sell it as is, and man, that shit, when you say as is, man, that's just like a bad connotation, man. So I don't know. I don't know. Anyway, man, look at the description down below, man. I'm gonna get those away. If you guys get away, I know it's dark. I'm gonna turn my lights on real quick. If you guys get a situation where you can get 5 subscribers, man, and subscribe to my channel, man, you let me know. And I'll definitely, man, shoot you guys out one of those sets. But as of right now, man, that blue is dope too. That blue is dope too. Damn, that blue is dope. Anyway, man, look at the description down below if you guys want these. Oh, hold on, let me show you something else too. Real quick, the first 10 orders The first 10, I'm selling these, I think these are gonna be like 15, 20 bucks. But the first 10 orders of the door lights, man. The first 10 orders of the door lights, man, you guys are gonna get one of these too. I'm gonna add these into the package. You know, I'm trying to just give away dope stuff. You see how like the lights or whatever is similar to the key tag or whatever. One side is that, other side is the 300. These are the same thing. You got two designs. So first 10 orders, man, you guys will get some of these as well. Get one of these as well. I got a whole pack. If you guys don't want to get the door lights, but you guys just want a key tag, man, go down below. Link in the description down below. meanteam.xyz. But that's pretty much it, man. Oh yeah, the giveaway. 1,000 sub giveaway. I don't know, man. Comment down below. Damn, who should I? Hold on. I'm going to see who I give it to. Hold on. All right, dog. You won, man. Hit me up, man. A Crane, man. Hit me up, man. You got all the right answers. 2009 on 22s, 18 on 20s. Picture Me Rolling, man. That song is dope. Nipsey Hussle song, super dope. And it got the same title from a Tupac song, so you already know, man. And you were the first one to respond with the right answers, man. So definitely, man, hit me up, man. I got you. I think it was an Amazon gift card, or if you want some door lights, man. And, you know, just let me know. Hit me up, man. DM me on Mr. 300 on YouTube, on Instagram, man. My tag or whatever is Mr. 300 on YouTube. DM me on Instagram or respond to this video and I'll, you know, we'll get in contact, man. I'll shoot you out whatever you want, man. But I appreciate it, man. Anybody else, man, I got plenty of giveaways, man. Like I said, I got all those other lights that I don't use anymore, man. I'm gonna give those away. DM me if you guys get 5 people to sub to my channel right now, whatever. Just let me know. I got a couple of lights I'll give away for that. But pretty much after that, man, you know, any video, man, it can be a giveaway. So be sure to subscribe, be sure to like, be sure to hit the little notification bell, man, so you can be the first one. Like A Crane, he was the first one to respond. He won the giveaway, man, just because he was the first one. So that's pretty much it, man. Appreciate you guys, man. Oh yeah, here comes the video.